Hello friends, warmly welcome you to visit our Fossan Landpack machinery. My name is Jennifer. Today I want to show you around our liquid detergent filling machine line. This whole line of machine is consists of the 8-hand filling machine and the tapping machine, labeling machine. This machine could help you to feed 500 ml to 5 liter liquid detergent into the bottle automatically. And you could see there is 8 filling hands into here. Each filling hand is controlled by the servo motor and gear pump. More importantly, the filling machine hands will come down to filling and then lifting smoothly. You could see. Okay, so this machine could help you to feed the liquid into the bottle in high accuracy. It is around 1%. Now, you can see there is a liquid pump to transport the liquid from the storage hopper to the 120 liter storage hopper. And then after the bottle filling with the liquid, it will go into here. The worker just need to put this cap onto the bottle. And then each bottle will go in here for the bottle capping. And then they will go to the next labeling machine. We'll stick the labels onto the bottle. Here is the day printer. You will print the production code and day code on the label. Okay, and this is the sample. Okay, let's start this machine to run, and you could learn this machine how to work. Okay, now you know this machine how to work now. If you have any interest in this liquid detergent filling machine line and for the shampoos or some liquid detergents, feel free to contact our after-sales managers and engineer. We will support you online 24 hours. Bye!